Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make fish oil at home. First, choose fresh, fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, or sardines, as these contain higher oil content. Next, clean your fish meticulously by removing all scales, guts, and heads. Finally, cut the cleaned fish into small, uniform pieces, roughly 1-inch cubes, to ensure even cooking and oil extraction. This preparation is crucial for a high-quality end product. Now, for the cooking phase. Place your prepared fish pieces into a heavy-bottomed pot and add just enough water to cover the bottom, about 1/4 of an inch. Simmer the fish gently over low heat for 15 to 20 minutes. The goal is to cook the fish thoroughly without boiling, which can degrade the delicate omega-3 fatty acids. You'll notice the oil starting to separate. After cooking, it's time to extract the oil. Carefully mash the cooked fish using a fork or potato masher to help release the oil from the flesh. Next, strain the entire mixture through a fine mesh sieve or several layers of cheesecloth into a clean bowl. This step separates the solid fish particles from the liquid, which is a combination of fish oil and water. To purify your oil, let the collected liquid cool completely. The oil will naturally separate and float to the top, forming a distinct layer above the water. Carefully skim off the pure fish oil using a spoon or a fat separator. Store your homemade fish oil in an airtight, dark glass bottle in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.